Today is the day we are getting animals. So we have been spending our time getting the fencing ready, getting everything secured so that we can bring them home. It's really hard when you don't know what to do, but step by step, we figured it out. We're making do, and things can always be changed, right? So we are just slowly taking it one step at a time. And this is one thing that once it's set up, I mean, you may have to fix some things. I'm looking forward to this because this is the first step of us being self-sustainable. So let's go pick them up. My name is Jess. My husband's name is Joe, and you're watching American Roots. We are borrowing an animal trailer from some friends to pick up the pig. We went and borrowed some crates from another set of friends to take the chickens in. So this will allow us to get the animals to our property safely, which is really what matters, right? So I'm super excited because we're gonna be able to get them all at the same time. Instead of having to make multiple trips. Oh, baby. He's not so little.
Come on, Sophie.
What about a ramp?
You can get upstairs. Come on, Sophia. Come on, baby. Okay, come on. Come on with Mom. Come on. Come on, Silvers. Come here. Here's corn. Come on, Silvers. Give me Biggie.
Will you close the door?
Girl.
I can let her out the side door.
Good girl.
Yep, close it up. Get your butt in there.
Come on. Yeah. Good baby. Shut the gate. Shut the gate.
I'm sorry I couldn't. What do we get?
Bunch of chickens and a pig.
We're headed to the feed store. So we just got home. Joe and I are getting ready to unload the pig and the chickens.
Got water in.
We parked them in the shade and we're gonna get the water and stuff ready first before we unload the animals because they're hot and they need to be hydrated.
Yep.
Chickens are thirsty.
What's what?
The brown one is pig and the yellow. We got water ready. The dogs are frantic, wondering when they're gonna get to the birds who are very thirsty. Hi. Hi. Hello.
I've heard you singing all of those same words for so long, they don't make it past my will. And I thought that
Alright, there's Jess and the birds. Got a bunch of them. They're all
Just like that, you have a farm.
Huh? Do you feel free?
Better than I did in Phoenix.
Yeah.
I couldn't have any of these.
No, not this many. And
Now we gotta work on getting the pig in here. So we gotta get this out.
alright. Let me set this down.
but please stay here, though you are fear. I have taken this whole year to realize that I don't know what thtere is.
Girl, so.
Come on.
Good girl. Come on, good pig.
Good. No, there's some water. This way. This way. Here's some water. Here's your food, Sophie.
Looking for water.
We'll find some water.
She's looking.
You got a bucket of water?
It's over there on the fence.
The water.
Yes, like 3 gallons. Hi, Soph. You enjoying the grass? I'll find it. Maybe jingle it. Sophie.
Here's your water, Sophie. Here.
Sophie girl.
Here.
She's like, I gotta get around and see what I have going on here. The chickens are eating her food.
Just like that. You got a pot.
This is Sophie. Why you gotta dump it over? So, why you gotta dump it over? Rootin' tootin'.
It's a very large animal, eating all the dog food she wants right now. Sissy.
Sophie, that's Sis.
That's it, Sophie.
Probably need to get chicken waterers in the chicken coop. Sissy, that pig don't care about you.
Easy. Easy. Hi, Sophie.
Chickens are very happy over there.
Yeah, they're digging it. Get the skid steer out. Trying to get the chickens in the chicken coop by luring them in with feed. And Sophie wants to eat, but now she's on camera. She wants to be a big ham. Hi, Sophie. Come here. Oh, she a good girl. She a good girl. You saying hi to the puppy? You saying hi to Murphy, but he's chicken? Where are you going, girl? There goes the chickens. Free ranging it with the pig. They'll figure it out. They got food and water inside, and there's like one bird in there. Meanwhile, Sophie wants to see what's in the calf hut. You going inside the calf hut, Sophie, to get some more bird food?
And just like that, we have a farm. This is gonna do it for today. We've got to get the trailers back. The animals are watered and fed. Looks like we got to give them more water. And the dogs are going crazy. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. We're praying blessings on you.
I've missed you for so long. You're the only one that makes sense in this world.